Hello, this is Lamp with American Science and Surplus, and we're here to show you how to use our simple circuit kit that will look something like this. So what your kit comes with is clip leads, a knife switch, a 2 AA battery holder, a small buzzer or beeper, a small flashlight bulb holder, a flashlight bulb, a 9-volt clip lead, and a 4 AA battery package. So the reason they call it a circuit is that electricity flows in a circuit from one side of the battery through whatever device you're powering and back to the battery. What we're going to do is start by popping some AA batteries into our battery holder. And then we'll add our 9-volt clip lead on the top to connect the wires. Next, what we're going to do is screw the flashlight bulb into the flashlight bulb socket. It helps to loosen the screws a little bit, gives you a little bit more something to clip onto. So the clip leads that your pack come with are in various different colors. The colors themselves don't affect how they carry electricity, it's just there so you can tell different ones apart. I'm going to start with green, and what we're going to do is clip one end to the black wire from the battery pack to one side of our flashlight bulb socket. Next, I'm going to attach the red wire to the other end of the light bulb socket. As you can see, it lights the light bulb. When we disconnect it, you can see that it turns the bulb off. Now there's an easier way to turn a light bulb on and off. I introduce to you a switch. So what we're going to do is attach the switch with a clip lead to the open end of the light bulb, and then attach our battery pack to the other side of the switch. When we close it, you can see it lights the light bulb. This also gives us the opportunity to try the conductivity of different materials. Here I have a small piece of wood, and you can see that when I put it between the contacts, nothing happens. As this is an insulator, it doesn't let the electricity flow. But if I use a piece of metal, you can see that it connects the circuit and allows the electricity to flow through to the light bulb. Your kit will also come with a small buzzer or beeper. You'll notice that it has a red and a black wire. They're color coded. So what that means is, unlike our incandescent light bulb, electricity can only flow through this circuit in one direction. To demonstrate, I'll hook the black wire from the battery up to the red wire of the beeper, and the red wire. And as you can see, it's not having any response. But if I switch the wires, yes, very annoying. We hope you enjoy experimenting with these simple circuits as much as we do, and that if you have any questions, you won't hesitate to ask us about this or any other project you happen to be working on. For our American Science and Surplus, I'm Lamp, and if you need anything else, let us know. We'll see you soon.